So, with the question one, the most common carrier of communicable diseases is we have A, housefly, B, any, C, mosquito, D, cockroach. So, you're going to answer with me. So, the first one, the answer is, what do you think the answer is? The answer is A. So, that's how we'll go. You answer the question before I come in. So, question two, a rabbit can be described as A, monogastric carnivore, B, ruminant carnivore, C, monogastric herbivore, D, ruminant herbivore. And the correct answer to this is C. Rabbit is a monogastric herbivore. Simply means feeds on herbs. Question number three. The food nutrient present in sugar is A, fat, B, protein, C, vitamin, D, carbohydrates. The correct answer to this is D, carbohydrate. Question number four. Which of the following is a non-magnetic material? A, aluminum foil, B, drawing pin, C, refrigerator, D, iron nail. So the correct answer to this is A, aluminum foil. So when it comes to magnetic materials, we have cobalt, iron, and nickel. And aluminum isn't a part. Question 5. The canine tooth is mainly used for A, tearing, B, grinding, C, chewing, D, crushing. The canine tooth, and the answer is A. Question 6. The brain and the spinal cord are part of the A, digestive system, B, circulatory system, C, nervous system, D, respiratory system. And the correct answer to this is C, nervous system. Question 7. Ricket is a disease of the A, kidney, B, bones, C, eyes, D, liver. The correct answer to this is B. The answer is bones. It's as a result of lack of the vitamin D and affects mainly the bones of the extremities, which are the legs. Question 8. An atom with 5 protons has dash shells. An atom with 5 protons will have 2 shells. So the answer is B. So when you draw the shells, so 2 electrons on the first shell, then 3 electrons on the second shell. So question 9. What charge do ions of group 1 metal carry? So A, -1, B, +1, C, +2, D, -2. And the correct answer to this is B. All elements in group 1 have a charge of +1. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a food nutrient? You have A, lipids, B, carbohydrates, C, water, D, minerals. And the correct answer to this is C. Water is not a nutrient, but it helps in metabolic processes. Okay. Question number 11. Which of the following is a fruit vegetable? A, lettuce, B, onion, C, tangerine, D, garden eggs. The correct answer to this is D, garden eggs. Question 12. The process of spreading dried and rotten leaves on the ground where crops are growing is called A, mulching, B, watering, C, fertilizing, D, weeding. The correct term to describe this is A, mulching. Question 13. the similarity between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration is A. Glucose and alcohol are produced. B. Energy and carbon dioxide are produced. C. Energy and oxygen are produced. D. Alcohol and water are produced. And the correct answer to question 13 is B. Question 14. So it has to do with some form of calculation. A body of mass 20 kilogram falls through a height of 4 meters. If the acceleration due to gravity is 10 meters per second squared, calculate the potential energy of the body. Now, to solve this, you first of all need to know the formula for potential energy, which is mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity multiplied by height. So you're going to multiply the mass by the height and then as well as the acceleration due to gravity. So you're going to have 20 multiplied by 4 times 10. So 20 times 4 is giving us 80. 80 times 10 is giving us 800. So our answer to this is 800 joule. That's what we need for energy, joule. So our answer is C. Question 5. The main water transporting tissue in plants is called A. Endodermis, B. Exodermis, C. Xylem, D. Phloem. The correct answer to this is C. Xylem. Question 16. The conversion of nitrate to nitrogen gas by removing the available nitrogen and returning it to the atmosphere is known as A. Nitrification, B. Denitrification, C. Ammonification, D. Assimilation. The correct answer to this is denitrification, removal of nitrogen from absorbable form to the atmosphere. Question 17. The part of the sperm cell that enables it to swim during journey to the egg is called A. Tadpole, B. Acrosome, C. Mitochondria, D. Flagella. The correct answer to this is D. Flagella. Question 18. Dead and decaying components of plants and animals are scientifically referred to as A. Mammals, B. Litmus, C. Humus, D. Organic matter. And the answer to question 18 is C. Humus. Question 19. When a blue litmus paper is dipped into a solution with a pH greater than 7, it A. Remains blue, B. Changes to red, C. Melts, D. Becomes yellow. Now, there's a simple mnemonic to remember what happens to a certain red or blue litmus paper when it is put in a base or acid. So we have blue litmus paper here. So it goes like this: B, R, B. So blue litmus paper becomes red when it's put in a base. So the question says when dipped in a solution of pH greater than 7, a solution which is greater than 7 is actually a base. So this blue litmus paper will have to become red. A blue litmus paper changes to red when put in a base. Question 20. When rocks are broken down into fine particles, they are said to be A. Eroded, B. Grinded, C. Weathered, D. Refined. A. Eroded, B. Grinded, C. Weathered, D. Refined. And the correct answer to this is C. Weathered. That's the right term. Question 21. A pure science can be studied by studying A. Sociology, B. Archaeology, C. Chemistry, D. Agricultural science. And the correct answer to this is C. Chemistry. Question 22. The greatest source of energy is A. Fuel, B. Water, C. Plant, D. Sun. And the correct answer to this is the sun. Question 23. If a soil is slippery and sticky, it means that the soil has large amounts of A. Clay, B. Silt, C. Sand, D. Loam. And the correct answer to this is A, clay. 24. How many crops are cultivated in a 4-year crop rotation program? So the answer to question 24 is D. You need 4 crops for a 4-year crop rotation program. Question 25. In reproduction, the embryo can be referred to as A, ovary, B, a matured ovum, C, placenta, D, a fertilized egg. And the answer to this question is D, a fertilized egg. 26. Beaks and claws are adaptive features of A, hawk, B, snake, C, lion, D, crab. And the answer to this question is A, hawk. A stone of mass 400 kilogram has a density of 25 kilogram per, so it's supposed to be per meter cube, not centimeter cube. What is the volume of the stone? And all of this is supposed to be in meter cube, not centimeter cube. Okay, so you have been given the mass and the density. You're asked to find the volume. Density equals mass over volume. Your density is 25. Equals your mass is 400 over V. So your volume now becomes 400 over 25. So when you do your mathematics for question 27, you are going to have your answer to be 16. So the answer is B. Question 28. The type of energy in missiles is termed as A, nuclear, B, thermal, C, sound, D, chemical. So the answer to question 28 is A, nuclear. 29. Tiny switches that turn a current on or off when triggered by an electric signal are called A, resistors, B, rheostats, C, transistors, D, capacitors. And the answer to this question is C, transistors. 30. Which type of lever has its load located between the fulcrum and the effort? So there's a simple mnemonic to this: E, E, L, P, 3, 2, 1. A is second class lever, B is first class lever, C is fourth class lever, D is third class lever. So which one is located in between? What type of lever has its load in between? So if the load is in between, then it means it's the second. So the answer is A. Question 31. The formula CaCl2 denotes A, calcium carbonate, B, calcium oxide, C, calcium chloride, D, calcium chloride. The answer to 31 is either C or D because they are all calcium chloride. Question 32. The male sex cell is produced by the A, ovary, B, sperm, C, testis, D, urethra. And the answer to this is C, testis. 33. Which of the following is a method of preventing rust? Method of preventing rust. A, heating, B, painting, C, greasing, D, alloying. Now with question 33, the question is actually supposed which of the following is not a method? Because all of these three are methods of preventing rust, except A. So the answer is A. And the question is supposed to be which of the following is not a method of preventing rust? Question 34. Iodine solution is used to test for the presence of A, protein, B, sugar, C, fat and oil, D, starch. And the answer to question 34 is D, starch. 35. Chlorophyll that absorbs the energy from the sun is mainly found in the A. Roots. B. Leaves. C. Stems. D. Phloem. The answer to question 35 is B. Leaves. Question 36. Which of the following carries deoxygenated blood? A. Pulmonary vein. B. Pulmonary arteries. C. Arteries. D. Platelets. And the answer to question 36 is pulmonary arteries. Question 37. The organ responsible for pumping blood around the body is A. Arteries. B. Heart. C. Veins. D. Lungs. The answer to question 37 is B. Heart. 38. The atomic number of fluorine in its ionic state is A. 4. B. 11. C. 9. D. 10. Now, this question, the ionic state of fluorine has nothing to do with the atomic number because atomic number is the same as what? Proton number. Proton number does not change. If you are looking at ionic state, you're actually looking at change in the number of electrons. Since you are being asked for the number of protons, ionic state has nothing to do with the atomic number. Fluorine is the ninth element. So since the ninth element, it still holds. So the answer is C, 9. Question 39. A group of stars is known as A. Solar system, B. Eclipse, C. Galaxy, D. Milky Way. The answer to 39 is C. Galaxy. Question 40. Malaria is to Plasmodium while sleeping sickness is to A. Nigriconis, B. Housefly, C. Cheshire D. Periplaneta americana. And the answer to question 40 is C. Cheshire